Hello, if you have a problem with your AC thermal display, the panel on the wall went to blank, all right, maybe this is the problem. This costs only $4. You have to replace it and can save you $300 if you call the AC tech. All right, here's my story. That's what happened last night. I have 2 units, all happened the same thing. All right, and the display is went to blank. It happened before for this AC unit, but this time 2 units all went to blank. All right, and I think okay, it's easy job because last time the tech only spent like 20 minutes, okay, and get fixed, charged me like $300. And then I use AI, ChatGPT. Okay, I suggest you can use AI, any AI, all right, and take pictures, ask questions. Okay, for me, all right, so it's I tell the process. Maybe you have the same machine. This is a carrier, right? Carrier. All right. You have first you have to turn the machine off. Okay, either unplug it, all right, or turn the breaker off. Okay, I turn off my breaker, shut down my breaker from that. All right. This one has a yellow light. When I come up here, I see the yellow light. All right, the flashing. Okay, there's a pattern. Right, ChatGPT asks you what are the pattern. The pattern is 2 flash pulse and 4 flashes, right? And then AI decode it. It says okay, it's a fuse problem, right? Fuse is this 4 amp, right? 4 amp fuse, right? When I take out the wire inside is broke, okay, blown away, right? The burn, right? So I don't know your unit, but if you cannot find it, take pictures. All right, take pictures, send picture to AI. They will identify you, identify for me, for you. For me, okay, usually and the first, okay, I cannot find it from here. Okay, I took whole picture for the unit. All right, and then AI said, okay, it's not here. Should be in the inside the cover. Okay, tell me there's 2 or 4 screws. I have 2 screws. Should be more than that, but these people are lazy. They only put 2. Right, open this cover up. Right, there's lots of wire in there. Okay, look carefully. It's not easy to identify, but the color is purple like this. They not put like this way. They plug in this way. Okay, so there's a very little narrow thing. Okay, hidden under lots of wire. Okay, you can look carefully. You will find it. After you find it, pull this one out. Okay, pull it out and get a new one. Put the new one back in. Right, and then you go back, turn your unit on. All right, either plug it or turn your breakers on. Okay, and it will turn your AC back on. Okay, your thermal display will back to normal if this keep blown. Okay, right, so that means you have a problem. Okay, you have a problem. Either the wire somewhere here is crossed or something damaged, right? Got like a shortage, or something happened outside your unit. Okay, the most common thing happen to the outside unit is because there's called a connector. The connector, the thing, is something wrong. Okay, that's bad. You have to replace that one. All right. If you are comfortable, you can do by yourself. If you are not, you can call the tech. For me, I'm lucky. Okay, I just replace my fuse. The 80% is just fuse problem. You can fix it. Okay, but anyway, the thing is that this one only costs $4. Right? You can try by yourself. Okay, if everything fixed, you save at least $300. All right.